Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Anabolic Foodie Show. In this channel, we'll be making tasty anabolic meals and snacks that will help you lose weight. We will also be doing and reviewing other people's anabolic meals and snacks and basically doing anything in the fitness industry. These are replacement meals and snacks for the high fatty foods that will definitely ruin your diet. That's what the anabolic diet is, guys. It's to satisfy the cravings of high fatty foods and snacks so you will not want them. All of my recipes got a fraction of the calories, a lot of protein, and a lot of flavor that will help you lose weight. If you're eating chicken, rice, and veggies 4 times a day and you do not get tired of it, this video may not be for you. More chicken, rice, and veggies for you. But for 99% of the population, most of us will get tired of it sooner or later. I'm not trying to badmouth the chicken, rice, and veggie diet. That diet works. I really notice is when you eat the same thing like chicken, rice, and veggies back to back every single day, that's when you start craving all the food that you gave up to lose weight. But the anabolic diet lets you enjoy the food and still lose weight. If you're watching this video, guys, it is because we have a similar goal, and that is to lose weight or to stay fit. Okay guys, remember, our goal is to lose weight and be fit. It is not to eat good. But the anabolic diet lets you eat as good as possible while still losing weight. The anabolic diet has hundreds of recipes that will definitely crush that craving. So in today's episode, we're gonna be crushing one of your cookie cravings with anabolic double chocolate chip cookies. Alright guys, let's get going. Okay guys, first step is get your food scale ready with the bowl, just like always. Okay guys, our first ingredient is going to be 60 grams of chocolate whey protein isolate. Okay guys, remember 60 grams. Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Here you go, 60 grams. Let me see how much more. Our next ingredient, we're going to need 60 grams of Quaker oats. Okay guys, 60 grams, okay? Remember guys, 60 grams, okay? Our next ingredient, we're gonna need 14 grams of Hershey's Jello pudding mix. All right guys, 14 grams. Remember guys, 14 grams, okay? Okay guys, our next step, we're gonna need 10 grams of sweetener, okay guys? 10 grams. Remember guys, 10 grams, okay? Our next step, we're gonna need 3 grams of baking powder. Okay guys, remember 3 grams, okay? Remember 3 grams of baking powder, okay guys? Our next step, we're gonna need about 1 gram of salt, okay? 1 gram. All right guys, remember 1 gram of salt, okay? Okay, before we get our wet ingredients in there, please mix it all well, and then we'll put our wet ingredients in there, okay guys? All right, let's start mixing. Okay guys, when we finish mixing, it should look like that. Okay guys, let's get to the wet ingredients. Here we go. For our next ingredient, we're gonna need 180 grams of 100% pure pumpkin. 180 grams, guys, okay? Okay guys, remember, 180 grams, okay? Okay guys, there goes 180 grams. All right, let's get to the next step. Next ingredient, we're gonna need about 5 grams of vanilla extract. Okay guys, about 5 grams. And put it on top of the pumpkin so it could mix better. Okay guys, remember about 5 grams, okay? Okay guys, for the next step, mix it well together until it combines very, very good. And let's do it. Start mixing. Okay guys, should look like that when you finish mixing. Don't try it, because if you try this, you might eat it all. This is that good. This recipe is so delicious. Oh my god, I can't wait for you guys to try this. Our next step, we're gonna need 15 grams of dark chocolate, no sugar added. Okay guys, 15 grams. All right, here we go. Okay guys, remember 15 grams, okay? Mix it well together guys, so all the chocolates could evenly spread out. And let's get to the next step, okay guys? When you're finished mixing it, it should look like that. It looks almost the same as the other one because the chocolates are hiding. All right, but let's get to the next step. Our next step, get a baking sheet and put parchment paper over it and spray the parchment paper with oil spray. All right, guys. Okay, this makes about 8 cookies. Get a spoon and get a heaping spoon, and that should be about 1 cookie. And make 8 of them and try to spread them out as cookies. They're not all gonna be all perfect, but let me do one real quick. Around there. All right, let's go. Oh my God, this is so good. All right, let's keep making 8 of them, okay guys? Okay, when you're done, it should look similar to that. They're not all gonna be the same size or all perfect, but it should make around 8 of them. You can make them bigger or smaller, it's up to you. But don't forget to put your oven for 350 degrees, and these are gonna go in the oven for 8 minutes. Any more, and they're still gonna be good, but I think the 8-minute mark is the best one. Okay, they just came out of the oven, guys, and wait for 10 minutes so it could cool down and we could try them. These are so delicious. Oh my God, I can't wait for you guys to try these bad boys. Okay, see you guys in 10 minutes. All right. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes. These already came out of the oven. I've been letting them sit for about 10 minutes and they're ready to try out. They're still a little bit warm, and let's try these bad boys out. But first, a word from our sponsor. Okay guys, it's time to try them out. Let's see which one I should try. Okay, I think I'll choose this one right here. Looks very good. Alright, let me put this over here and try these out for you guys, okay? Look at that cookie. Chocolate chip, double chocolate chip cookie. Alright, let's try this bad boy out. Alright. Oh my God. Guys, this is so good. I keep telling you guys, man, please make these recipes. If you guys make these recipes, you guys are gonna lose weight, you guys are gonna enjoy the food, and you're just gonna keep losing weight, guys. Oh my God, this thing is so good. Don't cook it over for more than 8 minutes, guys. I mean, you can if you guys want, but 8 minutes I think is a perfect spot. It's gonna be chewy, it's gonna be soft, moist. Oh my God, let's try another bite, guys. Here he goes, cheers. Oh my God. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Please make this recipe, guys. Oh my God, comment below how much you guys like it. Please. Look at that. Oh my God, this thing is so good, guys. I can't believe how good this thing is. And you're gonna be losing weight, you're gonna stay fit. You're never gonna eat the same way again, guys. Believe me. Try this out. Keep trying these recipes out. You should try all my recipes, believe me. These things are so good, guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna finish this cookie, okay? Okay guys, please make these cookies. If you guys like the real chocolate chip cookies that are not anabolic, you guys are gonna love these cookies. They're so close to it. They're 9 out of 10. They're not 8 out of 10. These are 9 out of 10, maybe even 9.5, I swear. If you try these cookies, you're gonna be like, what? These Manuel got down on this recipe. All right. Okay guys, if you eat all 8 cookies, and I'm pretty sure you will because they're so delicious, and it's not a lot of calories for cookies. Come on guys. All right, so if you eat all 8 of them, it's 608 calories, 57 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, 15 grams of fiber, and 80 grams of carbs. And those macros are not too chubby if you ask me. Okay guys, if you just eat one, which I doubt because it's gonna be like the potato chip, I bet you just can't eat one. All right, if you ate one, it's only 76 calories, 7 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of carbs. And if you just ate one, it's because you did it wrong. All right guys, ladies and gentlemen, please make these cookies. I know you love these cookies as much as I do. And there's one thing that I know that you might like more than these cookies, and that's losing weight while still eating cookies. Alright, comment below on how much you like them, and also comment below on how much weight you started to lose, and I'll comment to everyone back. Alright guys, these recipes are hard to make and they're hard to figure out. So you want to support me, I do have this recipe on my cookbook and I'll put a link on the description box below for purchase. And I have to pay everything out of pocket guys to make these recipes. I know you'll love them because I wouldn't bring out a video if they're not good. Okay guys, let's go. If you guys want to make another one of my recipes, please check out one of my other recipe videos. Alright guys, remember all the strong subscribe, share, like, and bye. Till next time, Manny out.